Hello students. Students, last lecture we start new unit in your biochemistry. It's your the carbohydrate metabolism. Just flashback what we was discussing in a last lecture. Last lecture we discussing about the what is the metabolism. Okay, what is the type of metabolism? What is the catabolism? What is the anabolism? And last time we discussing about the glycolysis cycle. This is a very important cycle for the cellular respiration and the formation of ATPs. Glycolysis means the breakdown of your glucose and to convert into the pyruvate or lactate. It's a depend on the which type of cycle, aerobic as well as anaerobic. Okay, if your cycle is a carry by the aerobic way, the last product is your the pyruvate. If the cycle which having carry without the oxygen, it's the final product is your the 2 molecule of your lactate. In that the particularly glycolysis, the glycolysis which having the contain the 3 stage. Glycolysis which having contain the 3 steps. Energy investment phase, it's also called as a priming phase. Second one is your the splitting phase, and third one is your the energy generation phase. Okay, whatever the first phase, in that the first phase we was discussing in there the glucose, okay, the starting product to the up to the splitting product. Okay, मीन्स तो ग्लूकोज से पर्टिकुलरली फ्रुक्टोज 1,6 बाइफॉस्फेट जब तक फॉर्म नहीं हो रहा था हमारा, वहाँ पे हमने क्या किया कि 2 एनर्जी और 2 एटीपी हमने पर्टिकुलरली इन्वेस्ट किया. 2 एटीपी हमने क्या किया, इन्वेस्टिंग किया. देन द पर्टिकुलरली स्प्लिटिंग योर रिएक्शन with the help of enzyme aldolase. There is the form of to form the particularly dihydroxyacetone phosphate and your glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, the both metabolites which having the isomerase to each other. Okay, it's a reversible isomerase to each other. Then the particularly the glyceraldehyde is converted into the 1,3-phosphoglycerate. There is your the 6 ATP is a generation. Okay, now the start the third step. It's your the generation of ATP. The glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, it's converted into the 1,3-diphosphate glycerate. There is a 6 ATP is a generation. Okay, last lecture में हमने properly discuss किया था. तो at a generation set particularly 10 ATP which having to generated. Okay, and 2 is a invested, means the 10 minus 2 is the whole of the glycolysis cycle. We have to generate the 8 molecule of ATP. Okay, last lecture we also discussing in that the significance of glycolysis cycle. What is the significance to carry this particularly glycolysis cycle? The lots of significance. The first one is your this is an important process, biochemical catabolism reaction in all living cells. Okay, it is essential for the aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration, as well as the number of fermentation, like is your the alcohol fermentations. Okay, then the particularly we also discussing in that the many type of anaerobic microorganism are entirely depend on this particularly glycolysis pathway. The lots of significance we was discussing in a last lecture. Without wasting a time, today we are start the new topic or new cycle in this particularly carbohydrate metabolism is your the citric acid cycle. Citric acid cycle. Okay, this cycle you very well known about it. You was study in 11 and 12 also in bio. Okay, the citric acid cycle, it is also called as a Krebs cycle. It is also called as a tricarboxylic acid cycle. Tricarboxylic acid cycle, that is a 3 name of this particularly cycle. Okay, you asking a question anywhere, write a brief note on particularly TCA, or what is the another name of your the Krebs cycle, what is the another name of citric acid cycle, whatever it may be that. This is your the citric acid cycle. What happened, this citric acid cycle, the first was proposed by the Hans Adolf Krebs. Okay, definitely Krebs cycle means the Krebs which having a scientist, they was published this particularly cycle. The name of the scientist is your the Hans Krebs. In 1937, the first time this cycle is proposed by the particularly Krebs. What he was study at that time, the particularly he studied of oxygen consumption in a pigeon breast muscle. the oxygen consumption in your the pigeon wrist muscle. Okay, तो पिजन था पर्टिकुलरली, उसमें उसके जो ब्रिस्ट मसल थी उसमें जो ऑक्सीजन कंजम्पशन की स्टडी इस पर्टिकुलरली क्रेब साइकिल में की है. और ये जो पर्टिकुलरली आपकी साइट्रिक एसिड साइकिल है, दे हैविंग अ कैरी इन अ माइटोकॉन्ड्रियल मैट्रिक्स, carry in your the mitochondrial matrix. Okay, this and this also particularly this cycle is a carry in a electron transport chain. It's your the ETC, it is your respiratory chain, electron transfer chain. Particularly it is a very important cycle as a purpose of ATP generation. Near about 30 ATP is generated in this cycle. So hence the particularly the body required 65 to 70% of ATP synthesis in this cycle. 65 to 70% ATP is a synthesis in this cycle. Okay, the name TCA is a used for the outside the cycle tricarboxylic acid is a participate. Okay, TCA क्यों बोलते हैं? At a particularly outer side or outside of this cycle particularly 3 carboxylic acid is a participate and hence is a called as a TCA particularly. Okay, and why is a called as a citric acid cycle? Because the last product is your the citric acid or citrate particularly. Okay, लास्ट प्रोडक्ट एज वेल एज द फर्स्ट प्रोडक्ट इज योर द साइट्रेट. ओके, क्योंकि रिवर्सिबली चलते ही रहती है वो साइकिल. ओके, दिस इज योर द बेसिक फेनोमेनो. वी डिस्कस इन दैट द briefly. Particularly first one, what is the history of this particularly cycles? Okay, in 1937 the first time the Crave was published this particularly TCA cycle or Crave cycle. Okay, what he was to done there particularly, there was a study in that the particularly oxygen consumption in pigeon breast muscle in 1937. First one he was a carry the particularly the oxidation process as well as the oxygen consumption in a pigeon breast muscle. Okay, I was told you this particularly this cycle is a carry in a mitochondria, and in mitochondria the mitochondrial matrix is a very variably particularly they having a carry this cycle mitochondrial matrix, and this is also located in a close proximity to the electron chain transfer, that is your the ETC may be particularly this cycle is a carry there. It's a very rare form but it's also forming there particularly. Okay, the mitochondrial matrix is one of the best location in the particularly carry this TCA cycle. The particularly 65 to 70% of ATP is synthesized in this cycle. I told you particularly the near about 30 ATP is a synthesis in this cycle. Okay, why this? Okay, you very well know about it. This cycle is called as a Crave cycle because of the Crave was publishing this particularly terminologies as well as the concept. Next one is your the second name is your the citric acid. Why it's called as a citric acid? Because of the starting product is in this cycle is your the citric acid or citrate particularly, hence it is called as a citric acid. The third one is your the it is also called as a TCA. Why this is called as a TCA? The name of TCA is a use because at the outside of the cycle the tricarboxylic acid is a participant. Outside of the particularly cycle there about the 3 carboxylic acid group is a participant and hence is a called as a TCA. Okay, last lecture we also discussing in that the particularly the what is the meaning of the pathway? Pathway means the multi-step of chemical reaction, and this chemical reaction will be done by the specific enzyme. जितने chemical reaction है उतने enzyme required है, because without enzyme no one done your the chemical reactions. Okay, then the see next part in that particularly the TCA is a series of enzyme catalyst chemical reaction that form key part of aerobic respiration in a cell. Definitely the TCA as well as the Crave is your the enzyme catalyst केमिकल रिएक्शन, मैंने बताया ना कि पर्टिकुलरली इट्स अ मल्टी स्टेप केमिकल रिएक्शन एंड देयर इज अ रिक्वायर्ड द एंजाइम catalyst. What is the meaning of catalyst? Catalyst means enzyme which having help to enhance the biochemical reaction. To enhance the biochemical reaction, it's called as a catalyst. Catalyst, and this TCA which having the key part of your the aerobic respiration of your सेल. यदि एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन सेल का प्रॉपरली होते रहेगा तो एटीपी जनरेशन प्रॉपरली होते रहेंगी, सेल का स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शन प्रॉपरली वर्किंग करते रहेगा. Next one, this cycle is also called as a Krebs cycle and the citric acid cycle. Why it's called as a Krebs cycle? Because the Krebs was published or proposed by this particularly concept. Hence is called as a Krebs cycle, and last product as well as the starting product of your the citric acid or citrate, hence is called as a citric acid. The great simplified cycle below the start with the pyruvate. Definitely जो pyruvate हमने एरोबिक ग्लाइकोलिसिस साइकिल का जो एंड प्रोडक्ट है वहाँ से ही पर्टिकुलरली पायूरेट फॉर्म होता है. पायूरेट के बाद पर्टिकुलरली असाइल कोए और एसिटिल कोए फॉर्मेशन होता है. एसिटिल कोए विच हैविंग द फर्स्ट रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द साइट्रेट फॉर्मेशन. फर्स्ट रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ द साइट्रेट formation. Okay, the greatly simplify the cycle below start with the pyruvate which is the end product of your the aerobic glycolysis, not a anaerobic glycolysis. It is a end product of your the aerobic glycolysis, the first step of all type of cell respiration. The first step of all type of your respiration. This is a your the citric acid cycle. The near about the 9 to 10 step. Near about 9 to 10 step they having a carry the particularly this cycle. Okay, the first one is your the citrate is a converted into the isocitrate dehydrogenase. Citrate is a convert into the isocitrate dehydrogenase as well as the first. सबसे पहला रहेगा formation of citrate. सबसे पहला जो रहेगा it's your the formation of citrate. Okay, अब देखो वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है कि साइट्रेट कहाँ से फॉर्म हो रहा है, लाइक दिस साइट्रेट सिंथेसिस. ओके, साइट्रेट सिंथेसिस से क्या हो रहा है, हमारा साइट्रेट फॉर्म हो रहा है. जब हमारा एसिटिल कोए का कंडेंसेशन होता है, एसिटिल कोए और ऑक्सैलो एसीटेट. ओके, देखो ऑक्सैलो एसीटेट से भी पर्टिकुलरली आपका साइट्रेट फॉर्म हो रहा है और साइट्रिक एसिड फॉर्म हो रहा है. अदरवाइज द एसिटिल कोए का कंडेंसेशन से भी हमारा साइट्रेट फॉर्म हो रहा है. तो कंडेंसेशन ऑफ योर द एसिटिल कोए एंड ऑक्सैलो एसीटेट they will be converted into the citrate with the help of enzyme citrate synthesis. The help of enzyme citrate synthesis, that is your the first step. Okay, second step is your the or second or third step is a collaborated because the it's the same enzyme, the aconitase and aconitase, the particularly same enzyme means the it's the second step is your the formation of your the isocitrate. Formation of your isocitrate to the citrate with the help of enzyme aconitase. Here is your the two step involving in there. First one is your the citrate is converted into the cis aconitate with the help of same enzyme. It's your the aconitase. There is your the liberation of your water. There is your the liberation of your water. And second step, the cis aconitate is converted into the isocitrate with the help of the same enzyme aconitase. There is your the involve of your water. There is a involve of your water. Here is your the finish the second and third step. The fourth step is your the formation of your the alpha ketoglutarate. This alpha ketoglutarate, this step is called as the substrate level. Okay. Next one is your the formation of alpha or a ketoglutarate or alpha ketoglutarate. Okay, here is a what happening there, the isocitrate. Okay, the isocitrate is converted into the alpha ketoglutarate with the form of enzyme the isocitrate dehydrogenase. What happen in this there, the particularly isocitrate is a oxidation is a takes place there and convert into the अल्फा कीटोग्लूटारेट. ओके, वहाँ पे क्या होता है कि आइसो जो साइट्रेट फॉर्मेशन हुआ है उसका क्या होता है कि ऑक्सीडेशन होता है बाय एंजाइम isocitrate dehydrogenase and they convert into the alpha ketoglutarate. It's a simple. It's a simple. Okay. Then next step is your the formation of your the succinyl CoA. Formation of a succinyl CoA. Okay. अल्फा कीटोग्लूटारेट से हमारा सक्सिनिल कोए सिंथेसिस होना विद द हेल्प ऑफ एंजाइम इज अ डीहाइड्रोजिनेस कॉम्प्लेक्स. इट्स आल्सो द अल्फा कीटोग्लूटारेट डीहाइड्रोजिनेस कॉम्प्लेक्स. हियर इज आल्सो द ऑक्सीडेटिव डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन इज अ टेक्स प्लेस देयर. Oxidative decarboxylation is a takes place there, and here is also the energy formation is a takes place there. NAD is a convert into the NADH. Every process which having the generate of your ATP in this cycle. In this cycle, okay. Simply the alpha ketoglutarate is a converted into the succinyl CoA with the help of enzyme dehydrogenase complex. What happen in there particularly जो alpha ketoglutarate है, there is your the oxidative carboxylation is a takes place there, and they convert into the succinyl CoA. They convert into the succinyl CoA, and this step is also called as a substrate level energy. Okay, substrate level of energy, that is your the succinyl CoA. Here is your finish the sixth step. The seventh step is your the formation of your the succinate. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ योर द सक्सिनेट. ओके, फॉर्मेशन करना यानी क्या, सिंथेसिस करना है. सिंथेसिस करना यानी कौन सा एंजाइम रहेगा, सक्सिनिल कोए सिंथेटेस. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस एंजाइम विच हैविंग द कैटालाइज एंड कन्वर्ट इनटू द सक्सिनिल कोए टू द सक्सिनेट. हियर इज आल्सो द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ योर द एटीपीज हायर अमाउंट. Okay, here this is your the seventh step. The eighth step is your the conversion of succinate to the fumarase. Conversion of succinate to the fumarase. Okay, with the help of enzyme succinate dehydrogenase, whatever the succinate is a form there. Okay, there is your the oxidation is a takes place there. Succinate का oxidation होता है with the help of enzyme succinate dehydrogenation and is convert into the fumarate. It convert into the fumarate. Okay, this is your the eighth step of your this cycle. The ninth one is your the formation of your the malate with the help of enzyme fumarase, and last step is your the formation conversion of your malate to the oxaloacetate. And oxaloacetate is your the first product of your oxaloacetate is your the precursor of your the citric acid synthesis. ये साइकिल हमारी कंटिन्यूसली कैरी होते रहती है. आपको सिर्फ क्या ध्यान रखना है कि किसका कन्वर्जन किस में हो रहा है. ओके, किसका कन्वर्जन किस में हो रहा है और कौन सा एंजाइम रिस्पॉन्सिबल है और वहाँ पे कौन सी टाइप की रिएक्शन हो रही है. जैसे ऑक्सीडेटिव डीकार्बोक्सिलेशन हो रहा है, वाटर मॉलिक्यूल लिबरेशन हो रहा है, वाटर मॉलिक्यूल इन्वॉल्व हो रहा है. ये सारे प्रोसेस आपको ही ध्यान रखने हैं पर्टिकुलरली. देखो, फर्स्ट स्टेप थी हमारी फॉर्मेशन ऑफ साइट्रिक एसिड. जो दो वे से साइट्रिक एसिड हमारा फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है, एक ऑक्सालो एसीटेट से फॉर्मेशन हो रहा है, सेकंड वन इज योर द एसिटिल कोए का कंडेंसेशन हो रहा है, वहाँ से हमारा साइट्रिक एसिड सिंथेसिस हो रहा है. सेकंड स्टेप है, सेकंड और थर्ड स्टेप हमारा कोलैबोरेटेड है. क्यों? क्योंकि एक ही एंजाइम कैरी हो रहा है एकोनाइटेस. तो हमारा सेकंड और थर्ड जो प्रोसेस है, इट्स द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ योर द आइसोसाइट्रेट. ओके, आइसोसाइट्रेट फॉर्मेशन विद द कैटलिस्ट ऑफ योर एंजाइम एकोनाइटेस. catalyst of your enzyme aconitis. There is your the two step. First one is your the formation of your the cis aconitis, and next one is your the formation of your isocitrate. Okay, ये हो गए हमारे थर्ड प्रोसेस. अब फोर्थ नंबर की प्रोसेस है हमारी पर्टिकुलरली, इट्स अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ योर द अल्फा केटोग्लूटारेट with the help of enzyme the isocitrate dehydrogenase. Okay, here is your the also the ATP generation is the higher amount of there particularly. Okay, isocitrate which having the oxidative carboxylation takes place there, and they convert into the alpha ketoglutarate. The next step is your the alpha ketoglutarate is converted into the succinyl CoA. The help of enzyme the dehydrogenase complex. Here is also the carboxylation oxidation reaction takes place there, or oxidative carboxylic reaction is takes place there. The succinyl CoA is a form. The next one is your the formation of succinate with the help of enzyme synthetase. Then the then the succinate is converted into the fumarate. Fumarate is converted into the malate, and malate is converted into the oxaloacetate, and oxaloacetate is your the precursor of your the citric acid synthesis. This is a simply process of it. Okay, ये easily understand होगा. एसिटिल कोए एंटर हो रहा है ऑक्सालो और पर्टिकुलरली ऑक्सैलो एसीटेट, दोनों से अपना साइट्रिक एसिड फॉर्म हो रहा है। ओके अब सेकंड स्टेप क्या है, एकोनाइटिस। एकोनाइटिस का क्या हो रहा है, देखो डिहाइड्रोजिनेस एग्जांपल है ना, सबसे पहले डिहाइड्रेशन हो रहा है, वाटर आपका क्या हो रहा है, लिबरेटेड हो रहा है, रिमूव हो रहा है, उसके बाद क्या हो रहा है कि वाटर फिर से ऐड हो रहा है सेकंड स्टेप में। जब आपका साइट्रिक एसिड का साइट्रेट का कन्वर्जन जब पर्टिकुलरली आपका सिस एकोनाइटेड में होता है, सिस एकोनाइटेड में होता है, तो वहाँ पे पर्टिकुलरली डिहाइड्रेशन होता है, वाटर मॉलिक्यूल रिमूव होता है। और जब आपका सिस एकोनाइटेड का कन्वर्जन जब पर्टिकुलरली आपका आइसोसाइट्रेट में होता है, देयर इज योर द वाटर इज इन्वॉल्व, मीन्स द हाइड्रेशन इज प्रोड्यूसिंग इन देयर इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ योर द isocytrate. Okay, then the isocytrate is a convert into the alpha glutarate. Alpha glutarate, there is also the oxidation is a takes place there. Oxidation or carboxylation is a decarboxylation process is a carry there, and CO2 is involved there. CO2 is involved there. Then the alpha ketoglutarate is a converting into the succinyl CoA, help of enzyme alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase complex. Okay, then the succinyl CoA is a convert into the succinate with the help of enzyme succinate thiokinase as well as succinate synthetase. Then next one is your the formation of your the fumarate. Succinate is a convert into the fumarate by the dehydrogenation process. Here is your the oxidation is a carry there. And last one is your the fumarate is a converted into the malate, and malate is a converted into the oxalo acid. This is a cycle, you very well known about it, it's a very easy cycle. Okay, this is a reaction of citric acid. सबसे पहला जो रिएक्शन है मैंने बताया फॉर्मेशन ऑफ योर साइट्रिक एसिड, वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, एसिटिल कोए का कंडेंसेशन हो रहा है और ऑक्सैलो एसीटेट का, और उसके वजह से पर्टिकुलर द टू प्रीकर्सर विच हैविंग द formation of your the citric acid, first one is your the condensation of your the acetyl CoA, and second one is your the oxaloacetate. Second और third step collaborated है. Okay, citrate is isomerized to the isocitrate. Okay, isomerization होगा with the help of enzyme aconitase. फोर्थ और फिफ्थ नंबर स्टेप जो है वो कोलैबोरेटेड है, द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अल्फा कीटोग्लूटारेट, द एंजाइम इज योर द आइसोसाइट्रेट डिहाइड्रोजिनेस, isocytrate dehydrogenase. The 6th number step is your the conversion of alpha ketoglutarate to succinyl CoA. There is your the particularly oxidative decarboxylation is a takes place there, में CO2 आपका लिबरेट हो रहा है, catalyzed by enzyme the dehydrogenase complex. 7th number step है formation of your the succinate, the enzyme succinate thiokinase as well as the enzyme succinate synthetase which having help to the formation of your succinate. Okay, there is a very versatile reaction between the nucleosides. 8th number conversion of succinate to the fumarase, the enzyme the particularly succinate dehydrogenase, means there is your the oxidation is a takes place there, and because of the oxidation there is your the formation of your the fumarase, and last 9th one is your the formation of malate with the help of enzyme catalyzed by the fumarase, they having the succinate is a fumarase is a convert into the malate, and last one is your the conversion of malate to the oxaloacetate with the help of enzyme malate dehydrogenation. There is your the malate is a particularly oxidation is a takes place there, and they convert into the oxaloacetate, and oxaloacetate is your the starting product of your the citric acid synthesis. Here is your the whole of the cycle, the 10 step is involving in there. Okay, hope you understand, it's a very easy cycles. The next one is your the energy of your the citric acid, that's the energy of your the citric acid. Okay, when the pyruvate is a convert into the acetyl CoA, okay, that's the first step, क्योंकि दो फॉर्म से हमारा साइट्रेट फॉर्म हो रहा है, एक एसिटिल कोए के वजह से हो रहा है, एसिटिल कोए का कंडेंसेशन हो रहा है इसलिए साइट्रेट फॉर्म हो रहा है, और सेकंड वन इज द ऑक्सैलोएसीटेट. ओके, जैसे मैंने बताया कि स्टार्टिंग प्रोडक्ट क्या है, पायूरेट, जो हमारा पर्टिकुलरली ग्लाइकोलिसिस का एंड पॉइंट है, वहाँ से पायूरेट का कन्वर्जन जब एसिटिल कोए में होता है, देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ योर द 3 ATP मोलिक्यूल्स. देन द आइसोसाइट्रेट इज अ कन्वर्ट इनटू द ऑक्सैलोसक्सिनेट, देयर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ योर द 3 molecule. Alpha ketoglutarate is a convert into the succinyl CoA, there is also the form of your the 3 ATP. Okay, in this 3 process the 9 ATP is generated in there. When the succinyl CoA is a convert into the succinate, there is also the formation of your the 1 ATP. Succinate to fumarate, there is a form of your the 2 ATPs. मैलेट टू ऑक्सैलेट. ओके, जब कन्वर्जन होता है देयर इज ऑल्सो फॉर्म ऑफ योर द थ्री molecule. The total the sum of this particularly whole of the steps, particularly the near about 15 molecule is present there. Okay, the as a 1 mole of glucose give the 2 molecules. The 1 mole of glucose to give a 2 molecule, the pyruvate total number of ATP formed in a citric acid 15 into 2 means the near about 30 ATP which having synthesis in your this cycle. How many? The particularly 30 ATPs. The total number of ATP formed in a aerobic oxidation. Okay, aerobic oxidation means the glycolysis is your the aerobic oxidation is also, क्योंकि वहाँ से ये particularly TCA भी carry हो रही है. From TCA cycle the 30 ATP synthesizing in there and from the glycolysis cycle 8. अब 8 कैसे आया? जब पर्टिकुलरली ग्लाइकोलाइसिस की जब थर्ड स्टेप रहती है वहाँ पे हमारा कितने 10 ATP सिंथेसाइज होते हैं, लेकिन हम फर्स्ट प्रोसेस में जो इन्वेस्टमेंट की फेज रहती है वहाँ पे हम क्या करते हैं कि 2 ATP वहाँ पे इन्वेस्ट करते हैं. मीन्स 10 - 2 = 8. द होल ऑफ द एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन वी हैव टू सिंथेसिस ऑफ योर द 38 ATPs. 38 ATPs. Okay. Now the last point, what is the significance of this TCA cycle? Okay, why we have to carry this particularly TCA cycle? First one is your the complete oxidation of your the acetyl CoA. Acetyl CoA आपका particularly active fatty acid का मेटाबोलाइट्स है, उसका ऑक्सीडेशन होगा, का ऑक्सीडेशन होना चाहिए. कंप्लीट ऑक्सीडेशन एसिटिल कोए का होना चाहिए, क्योंकि उसका ऑक्सीडेशन नहीं होगा तब तक एनर्जी फॉर्म में कन्वर्जन नहीं होगा. जब बीटा ऑक्सीडेशन पढ़ूंगा तो आपको बताऊंगा कि क्या प्रोसेस है वो. सेकंड वन, सिग्निफिकेंस फॉर द एटीपी जनरेशन. यू वेरी वेल नोन अबाउट इट. द 65 to 70% ATP which having synthesized in this aerobic respiration process. The one of the base significance, the ATP generation, the final common oxidative pathway. Definitely जब तक आपका कार्बोहाइड्रेट हुआ, लिपिड हुआ, प्रोटीन हुआ, जिस उनका ऑक्सीडेशन नहीं होता है वो एनर्जी फॉर्म में कन्वर्जन नहीं हो सकता है. एनर्जी फॉर्म में कन्वर्जन नहीं हो सकता है. तो हेंस द पर्टिकुलरली इट इज अ ऑक्सीडेटिव पाथवे. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ मेजर मेटाबॉलिक पाथवे. इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ योर द मेजर मेटाबॉलिक पाथवे. डेफिनेटली दिस इज अ major metabolic pathway. The fat is a burn on the wick of your the carbohydrate. The fat is a burn on the wick of your the carbohydrate. That is the one of the base significance. फैट का कन्वर्जन आपका कार्बोहाइड्रेट में हो जाता है. फैट को बर्न करते जाएगा, दे हैविंग अ कन्वर्ट इनटू द कार्बोहाइड्रेट एंड दिस कार्बोहाइड्रेट एनर्जी इज अ फर्स्टली यूटिलाइज इन योर बॉडी. द एक्सेस कार्बोहाइड्रेट आर कन्वर्ट एज अ न्यूट्रल फैट. The excess carbohydrate are convert as a neutral fat. Okay, the no add synthesis of your carbohydrate from fat. कार्बोहाइड्रेट से फैट का कन्वर्जन नहीं होने देता है दिस TCA साइकिल्स, क्योंकि पूरा यूटिलाइजेशन कर ले रहा है उस कार्बोहाइड्रेट का. तो कार्बोहाइड्रेट की जो एनर्जी है वो हायर अमाउंट में स्टोर नहीं होंगी, तो उसका कन्वर्जन फैट में नहीं होगा. एंड द लास्ट वन इज योर द कार्बोहाइड्रेट स्केलेटन ऑफ अमाइनो एसिड फाइनली एंटर इन द TCA cycle. TCA cycle, this is the significance of your the TCA cycle. Here is your finish the TCA cycle. Okay, जो remaining 3 cycle है gluconeogenesis, glycolysis and your the HMP shunt. Okay, we will resume next lecture. Okay, thank you student. Here is your the finish the TCA cycle. It's a very important cycle as a purpose of your the examinations. Okay, hope you understand student. Thank you.